Welcome, everyone. It is a pleasure to have you here for our presentation on the Flutter and Dart 2026 roadmap. This session is based on the official update released in February 2026 by Emma Twersky, focusing on our vision for building the future of agentic, high-fidelity applications. As the digital landscape evolves, our focus remains on providing developers with the tools to create seamless, intelligent, and visually stunning experiences across all platforms. Today, we will explore the strategic pillars and architectural advancements that will define the next era of development within the Flutter and Dart ecosystem. Our mission is centered on a singular goal: to create the most popular, fastest-growing, and highest productivity multi-platform UI framework. We aim to set the standard for developer efficiency while ensuring our tools remain versatile across every major platform. As we look ahead, it is important to provide a note on transparency regarding our roadmap. The plans we present represent an aspirational strategy rather than a rigid schedule. In the dynamic world of open source, priorities may adapt throughout the year as we respond to new challenges and community feedback. We ask that you view this roadmap as a sincere statement of our intent and vision, acknowledging that it is subject to change as we strive for excellence. The executive summary highlights the four strategic pillars of our evolution. First, we focus on high-fidelity multi-platform performance, utilizing Impeller and WASM to achieve native speed and responsiveness across all devices. Second, we are advancing GenUI and agentic apps, where AI interfaces and the A2UI protocol enable the creation of ephemeral code for dynamic user experiences. Third, we are expanding into full-stack Dart, unifying the development process by bringing the language to Cloud Functions, backends, and GenKit. Finally, we are committed to a sustainable ecosystem through improved governance, strategic decoupling, and a steadfast dedication to open source, ensuring the long-term health and scalability of our community. Our first pillar focuses on achieving high-fidelity rendering on mobile through a fundamental architectural shift. We have moved from our legacy Skia engine to the modern Impeller backend. As illustrated by the waveforms, the legacy system often produced inconsistent frame delivery, resulting in the jank represented by the jagged line on the left. In contrast, Impeller provides the fluid, consistent performance shown by the smooth sine wave on the right. The migration is now complete, and Impeller is officially the default rendering engine on Android. We are also advancing our legacy removal process by deprecating the Skia backend on Android 10 and above. For end users, this transition results in perfectly smooth animations, the elimination of jank, and significantly faster application startup times. This modernization ensures we are platform-ready with day zero support for the latest operating systems, including iOS and Android 17. Pillar 1 focuses on delivering native performance across web and desktop platforms. First, we are making WebAssembly the default for web deployment. This transition allows WASM to serve as the standard for delivering native quality performance and high-fidelity experiences directly within the browser. On the desktop front, we are deepening our integration through a continued partnership with Canonical. This collaboration specifically targets the advancement of multi-window support on Ubuntu, ensuring that desktop applications feel integrated and performant across complex workflows. Pillar 2 focuses on the GenUI revolution, marking a fundamental shift from traditional pre-built screens toward intelligent, adaptive interfaces. Rather than relying on static layouts, this approach begins with the user's intent. This intent is processed by the model, an AI-driven engine that dynamically generates a customized interface. As illustrated, individual components are assembled in real time to create an adaptive UI layout tailored to the specific context of the interaction. To bring this vision to life, we are leveraging two core technologies: the Flutter GenUI SDK, a comprehensive toolkit for building agentive user interfaces, and the A2UI protocol, which facilitates the dynamic generation of these personalized experiences. Pillar 2 focuses on ephemeral code delivery, which addresses a fundamental challenge for agentic applications: the need for on-demand logic. Traditional application models often struggle with the latency and friction of manual updates. By utilizing interpreted bytecode, we can stream logic directly from the cloud to a specialized app runtime on the user's device. This process allows specific portions of an application to load instantly when needed, completely bypassing the requirement for traditional App Store updates or installations. This architecture ensures that agentic apps remain lightweight and highly adaptable, delivering the exact functionality required in real time. Pillar 3 focuses on full-stack Dart, representing a major advancement in allowing developers to utilize a single language across their entire development stack. With the introduction of Dart Cloud Functions for Firebase, applications can achieve high performance through exceptionally fast cold starts of approximately 10 milliseconds. Additionally, the Google Cloud SDK now enables developers to connect and build backends on Google Cloud with greater ease. Finally, through GenKit support, you can build sophisticated AI features directly in Dart. This integration empowers teams to build more efficiently by unifying their codebase from the client side to the cloud. Moving on to Pillar 4, we are focusing on an AI reimagined developer experience. This phase of our strategy is dedicated to deeply integrating artificial intelligence into the actual tools and workflows developers use every day. First, with a combination of Gemini CLI and anti-gravity, we have enabled stateful hot reload to work seamlessly with AI coding agents. This means that as an AI agent proposes and applies code changes, the application maintains its state, allowing for a much faster and more intuitive iterative process. Second, we are introducing the Model Context Protocol, or MCP. This creates a direct line of communication between AI agents and the Dart analyzer. By leveraging the analyzer's deep understanding of the codebase, AI agents can now perform complex refactors securely and accurately, ensuring that the generated code is not only functional, but also adheres to established patterns and type safety. Modern syntax and compiled performance are central to the latest updates. We have introduced primary constructors to provide more streamlined class declarations, significantly reducing boilerplate code. Additionally, the new augmentations feature simplifies the code generation process, making it more intuitive for developers. For those managing large-scale applications, the refactoring of the analyzer delivers enhanced performance and a more responsive development experience. Finally, we have implemented critical tooling improvements, specifically targeting Build Runner and Dart WASM compilation to optimize both build times and execution efficiency. Sustainable open source and governance are fundamental to the long-term success of the Flutter ecosystem. To achieve this, we are implementing several strategic shifts. First, we are decoupling key components, such as Material and Cupertino, into standalone packages. This modular approach allows for faster iterations and a leaner core framework. Second, we are enhancing extensibility by enabling the engine to support out-of-tree platform authoring, making it easier for third parties to build and maintain platform-specific integrations. Finally, we are expanding our advisory boards, specifically the GDE, CAB, and PAB networks, to ensure diverse perspectives guide our roadmap. As illustrated in the diagram, Flutter thrives through a circular flow of contributions and collaboration between Google, our strategic partners, and the broader community, ensuring a robust and self-sustaining future for the platform. Our strategy for onboarding the next generation is conceptualized as a steady climb, with each rung of this ladder representing a critical milestone in our development roadmap. We began at the foundation, where we have successfully finalized the new Dart and Flutter learning pathway. This completed initiative provides the essential technical grounding necessary for any aspiring developer. Building upon that core, our current focus is the integration of AI tools into education. By leveraging artificial intelligence, we aim to enhance the learning experience and provide students with the modern tools they need to succeed in an evolving landscape. Finally, our objective is to scale these efforts through comprehensive digital and in-person outreach. This combined approach ensures that we are not only creating high-quality educational content, but also actively engaging with the community to inspire and support the developers of tomorrow. Looking ahead to 2026, we have identified two pivotal moments where you can witness the latest innovations in Flutter. Our first key event is Google Cloud Next, taking place in Las Vegas from April 22nd through the 24th. This will be an excellent opportunity to see how Flutter integrates with cloud-scale infrastructure. Following that, mark your calendars for May 19th and 20th for Google I/O. These two events represent the premier milestones of the year to see Flutter in action and explore its evolving role in the developer ecosystem. Flutter has reached a significant milestone in its journey toward becoming a truly community-led project. As shown here, the number of contributors from outside of Google now officially outnumbers those employed by the company. This shift represents a powerful testament to the maturity and health of our open source ecosystem, ensuring that the framework's future is shaped by a diverse, global collective of developers. We invite you to follow the hashtag Flutter2026 hashtag and explore our repositories on GitHub to stay connected with the evolution of the platform and join the conversation as we build the future together. Let's build the future of apps together. This roadmap outlines our vision for a more powerful, flexible, and unified development experience as we head toward 2026. Our progress is driven by the creativity and passion of this community, and we are unbelievably excited to see what you'll build.